Sarah's my bride-to-be. I promise to be hers forever. I don't care how many years I have to wait.
It's over! Open your eyes and face reality!
Lightning! You're just gonna leave her?
PSICOM will be here soon. If they find us, we're all dead. You think Sarah'd want that? You think you know how she feels?
If I leave her, then I'll never know. We'll be fine. I can handle anything they throw at us. No one will die. I'll protect Sarah. And Cocoon.
Atrás. É dos anos 2000, acho que começou. Toma de soco na cara.
I can save her!
Tá pega.
Whatever it takes!
We messed up. Sorry. That it?
You sure better hope so. But whether we're square, that's up to Sarah.